Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be playing Dress to Impress. And this is a gaming walkthrough for complete beginners who know nothing about Dress to Impress. And as you guys can see the pictures in the bottom corner, these are perfect for anyone who does not know about Dress to Impress. And they can see all sort of eyes in this, and backgrounds are just showing, which you can't get in the game though. And the clothing. This is really stunning too. So before I get started, I'm just gonna let you guys know something, that only one person asked me for a planner. So I want more people to ask me. So please go ahead and go to my Gmail address and do it right now. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we're playing this game, and I'm gonna show you guys the whole like how you can get around. And so this is just one of the clothing sections. I'm just walking around so you guys can see. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the skin tone section. So this is right next to Lana Salon, which I'll be showing you guys right after this. So I'm just gonna do my skin color, and now I'm gonna go to Lana Salon. Lana Salon has nails. There's two sections. There's nails, hair, and then eyes. And the section that's right in front of this, or behind this, I guess. Yep, behind this. So I'm gonna do my eyes now. And as you guys can see, all these filters of eyes. I'm just gonna show you a few of them, and then you guys can explore more of them as you guys follow along. I love these eyes, they're so cool. I love all of these eyes, but I'm just gonna choose something that goes according to the theme, because going according to the theme gets you more stars in the runway part, which you guys are gonna see soon. Alright, I really like these eyes too, but I'm just gonna go do the eyes I did in the start. These, perfect. Money. Alright, so right next to Lana Salon is the clothing section I showed you guys earlier. It's just in front of it, in the middle. And I'm gonna do these wings, which are right next to the boots and shoes area. And then they even have a few hat stuff, which Dress to Impress is more organized, but when you have to do something, it can't always be organized. So yeah. By the way, there's no shout out for this week, so please go ahead and subscribe and comment your name below to be next week's shout out. I mean the next video shout out. Ooh. I'm gonna do like patterns. By the way, I'm about to tell you guys something, that you can only do patterns on your boots and your wings. Let's go back in Lana Salon. I'll show you why you cannot do it on your hair. And you can do it on your nails, by the way. And your clothing and all that stuff, except for your hair and your face. That's obvious. So you see, as I'm about to try, you guys can see. Look, I'm gonna try right now. 1 minute. There, you see? It doesn't work. So you just have to do it on your palette. That's why I always do on the palette and on the wheel and the palette, but patterns don't work on your hair at all. So you shouldn't even put them and think it's gonna show later or anything like that. Alright, cool. Cool, yes. Okay, so I was in the skirt section, which is right next to the skin tone section, and all these skirts, jeans, pants, flare jeans, sweatpants, tops, all those things. So I'm just gonna wear, oh, I don't like that shirt at all. I'm gonna go change it. Okay, so there's even accessories. I'm about to show you guys that after this part. So I wanna go grab a smoothie. Okay, perfect. This one's better. Let's go. I'll show you guys the smoothie section. Yep. So this is the accessory section. It has flowers, pillows, art stuff, microphones, and smoothies, soccer balls, any sort of balls, basketballs. Has even some hair accessories too, but we just call it the accessory section because it has hair accessories. It's just something you hold. So I call it the accessory section. If you want to call it, you can feel free to call it whatever you want, but if you want to call it accessory section, you can. Alright, I'm just gonna add some blue. And by the way, one more thing about Dust to Impress is even with hair. One time I learned this when I was doing my hair. I learned Dust to Impress in December, and I've learned a lot from it just by myself as I played it. So, you know, and a little bit from my sister too, because she loves Dust to Impress. So I noticed that when you have two hair colors, like if you have blonde on one side, peach on one side, and the way it was there, you can only change one side. Mostly it only allows you to change one side, that's all I know. It won't allow you to change both sides or the other side. You can only change the side they allow you to. So as a heads up, just like for the smoothie, they left some of the part purple, I'm telling you guys, just like it was earlier, and they only let me change the bottom or the top. Oh yeah, the top. Alright guys, runaway time. This is the time where they'll give you 5 stars. We'll get an example from this girl. She's walking through and she's gonna do her poses. You see all these poses she's doing? So then on the bottom there are 5 stars. You guys get to rate how many stars you want to give her. I'm gonna give her 4. Oh, it was almost done, huh? I mean, I did do it, but it finished, so yeah. Went down. Okay, woo. Okay, this girl was just like me, so I gave her 4 stars too. That girl. Okay, this is Frozen theme, looks like, because she looks like a Elsa, kind of. I'm gonna give her. Oh, she wrote Frozen. I'm gonna give her 3. Because I don't think it's according to the name, because I have no idea what crystal culture even means, or whatever it's pronounced as, the culture part. Alright, this girl is a VIP, so she might win, because she can go all these things. Oh, she's not a VIP? I thought she was a VIP. Oh, so she's not a VIP. Then how is she doing all those poses? I've never seen these poses before. I'm Dressed to Impress. But she looks like she's a VIP. Because I have no idea where she got all these things from. Like, look, she's literally flying in the air. Crystal clear. Next is my turn. Yay! I'm crystal clear. Ooh, I love Sleek, Magica, Chick, 360 Spin, and Confident. And also I love Dazzle, which is near the bottom of the poses. Yay! Dressed to Impress! Oh, so the girl I thought was VIP won. Congratulations. And then the Elsa team won. So alright guys, that's it for today's video. Bye. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. And also, extra additional, after you subscribe you can write your name under this video so I can give you a shout out. Bye.